Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another shipment from eBay. So in today's episode, we'll find out what have I got here. And I can tell you I bought some relatively old technology, some smartphones, apparently some car GPS, maybe a few other things like audio players or things like that. Basically, an assortment of what some people would consider junk. But hey, one man's trash, another man's treasure. So we'll find out what I've got here. I've got it for about 38 supposed to be pieces for literally 40 bucks, so about $1 a piece. And let's see, what do we get there? Can we revive it? Something needs repair? Is there anything interesting we can get out of that? And we'll see what we end with. So let's get started. All right, so let's see what we got here. All right, that's a lot of stuff in here. So I can tell you what I've done so far. So to expedite our, sorting out for this stuff, I put all of them, I think all of them, I may have missed some of the items, on a charger if I could. I did not check the status of the charging. Did it charge? Did it not charge? I just plug it in and switch to a different item a few hours later. So that should help us to see if it actually turns on. Is it somewhat working, somewhat not working, and whatnot. Apart from that, I have no idea what's in here. So it seems that there were some marks here done by a seller, untested, boot loop, things like that. So we'll see if it's accurate or if it's helpful at all. And the first step would be for us to literally sort out what we have here. Identify the items, because again, nothing was identified in the listing. It was just a 38. Actually, it was a smartphone, so I can see that that's certainly not a smartphone. I'm pretty sure that's not smartphone either, but hey, for 40 bucks, who cares? So we'll sort it out, try to identify it if we can, see if it starts up or any obvious issues, and that should be it for the initial breakdown of this pile. So let's get started. All right, so here's the setup. I mean, basically not many tools what we're gonna do here. I'm not gonna be disassembling anything. Pen, sticky notes, so we can identify the devices. And my charger analyzer, so that we can see if it actually does have any power draw. Is it a screen issue likely, or is it completely dead, not drawing any power, meaning some power issue, no likelihood. So yeah, so let's get started. And here's overview of the whole now. Kind of sorted out. Look, all 38 here. Alright, and there's that. You can see 38 items. Indeed. I didn't lie about the number. Sorted out, well, preliminary sorted out. So I'll have to do a bit more work on figuring out some of the things that I don't know what they are. Some of the things that are not clear if they're working or not. Not that many. And well, I mean, then we'll have to go into individual devices and either test them if they seem to be working, or see if we can fix them, whether it's in software, or in some cases hardware potentially. And we'll make a few more episodes based on that. And well, we'll see how it goes. Probably a few devices, probably grouped by the same issue type. We'll try to put them in the same episode and we'll see how it goes. So there are going to be more episodes like on that set. And if you like that kind of content, so hit that like, subscribe, and you're not going to miss that. And with that, I'll see you in the next episodes. See you then.